Get him?
Yeah, I got him. He's unlocked here. All right, we're hovering up above. We got the drone in the sky. The perp is going down Bush Avenue. He's heading on through the suburban. There he is. Okay, we got him. Oh, we got another perp. The other perp. Are we gonna? No, we're gonna stick to this guy. Oh, wait a second. There he was hiding. He was hiding. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Take a good look. Take a good look. I'm thinking 5.4 centimeters max. Oh, we got a whole bunch of them, ladies and gentlemen. And he's disappeared. He ran back into the jungle.
You said you were going to push these out of my life on.
We've switched the party from Michael to searching for life. Oh, in a foreign land to celebrate. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, he has re-emerged and then disappeared again. Dun 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 dun. We are now going to capture one of. Oh, there he is. Oh, okay. We're experiencing some technical difficulties here. We need to come back to. Oh, these little guys. Don't worry, little guys. We got the eyes. We got the satellites up here. The satellites are here. They're watching. Dun 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 dun.